Alright, we are getting ready to go grand flag racing here from Kyalami for chase race number 2 in the truck series. And these guys are gonna really give all they got here today, as they're gonna be going lefts and rights here today. As we are here in Africa, South Africa, here for Kyalami. And this is a very fast track, and we have seen in the Cup Series and past time and time again that this track is not very friendly to the chasers. And we have a few starting up here in the front right now, so we're gonna see how this track faces with them. So yeah, we're getting ready to go for ring flag. That's cool. It's a big jump already, as he is away fast. That didn't take him real long. Seth gonna get a big jump. What? Coming in the corner right now, because he just got that big jump. Like I said, well, off the corner right there, I'm going in the corner right here to get a big run off. Oh, the 32 in trouble. Oh, he's gonna come in the 3 while Cody Mama is in a bad spot. Oh, and he somehow got out of that. But there is caution on the racetrack. Oh, there's a huge one. And Michael Norman, the point is wild. So Cody driving up the corner right here. Got the big team of 92 pressing puller, trying to have a good run. He did not have a great run at Atlanta, the first chase race. And look at this Toyota in the top 5 with 18, who did not have a great run at all last week either. And we're going to see what happens here. We're going to check this out a couple times. I can't, yeah, right here. Yeah, the 60 just bounces off the wall. 00 tries to miss him, can't miss him. Ian Dudham hits him. Who is that? I don't know. That was Dylan. No, that was Austin Talley that barely got involved. Then, right there, Eugene DeMax catches Andreas Allen. 61's involved. Huge hit. Then Michael Norman comes in. Oh, Dylan Pote came in there. Oh, then right there. Oh, Michael came shooting in there. Big hit by Michael and Dylan Pote. Those two had good runs last week. And Michael started in the back, and this was something he was worried about having happen to him. And there you can see right there, 60 he just loses it right there and just bounces off. Then 00 is gonna come in there and hit him. Ian Dudd is gonna come in. Austin Talley got a little bit of it. He didn't get that much. And those guys slide in the middle of the racetrack. Oh, right there, the 37, and Andreas Allen, Michael Walton, Jordan Smith's going to hit the inside right there, and then they're going to bounce back. Dylan Pote's going to hit him. Then right there, Michael Norman. Nowhere to go. We are going to have pit stops going on right here. Seth Cole's going to come in the pit road. There's one truck I want to keep an eye on here today out of the chases, and that is Jessica Sheldon. She's very, very, very good at the train track. She has shown it a couple times. She ran really good here. Won here in the Xfinity Series and ran really good here in the Cup Series the season back. So she really knows how to get around here. In her rookie season, she ran pretty good at this racetrack. And like I said, she's gonna try to make the most of it. And Seth Cole's gonna come off first here, and he's been running very, very well. And we're gonna see if he can cap it off here with a win here today. And so we'll take you back on green flag racing. Go green flag right now. Here, Seth Cole. Green flag is out. Seth Cole gets a little bit of a jump again. If he's really gonna have much of a jump as he had last time. Here comes the 13 to the inside. Seth's gonna have to try to beat out the bottom. There's contact off the corner. The 13 gonna take the lead. right down there, and he has been making very racy with today. Nick Pericles, big jump, and he goes around. Oh, Kyalami! Oh, we have a mess. Over here, oh, somebody hit Cody hard. And that was Nicholas Romero. Oh, the O2 comes back on the racetrack. Go back to the front. That's just trying to reel back to the 13. The corner, that big jump right there. Coming out the corner, it's going to be Nick Pericles leading back to the line. And the Ford looks like he got a bit of damage. Zach Rogers. Looks like he hit Cody, I think. What happened? For the record shows that this should not been Cody's track, and he ran a little bit off the racetrack right there. Zach Rogers had nowhere to go. Then the 60 and there's the O2 does the same thing. Oh, then Benjamin Miles, I don't know how. Oh, James Qualls. Oh, when Zachary Fitzwater hit him. Oh, that's a tough break for Zachary Fitzwater. Let's go on board with James Qualls right there. Where is he at? That was magnificent. That was magnificent right now. Dodge that. Hold on. We're gonna watch this in slow mo from the roof cam. Alright, watch this. He sees the wreck right here, and he just smoke. He cannot do anything. And then there's Cody right in the middle of the track. Oh! Somehow he just dodges it. I don't know how he did that, but great driving by and awareness by James Qualls, and it'll take you back to pit stop's gonna happen. And we didn't really show what happened to Nicholas Romero. He got hit right there, and he's gonna slide. Oh man, he hit hard into the barriers right there. That was a hit. Slid right there into the barriers. Big hit right there. And a lot of people's gonna do a lot of that today, and not really too surprised. I think coming up here once again, we've been making a mark here today. I haven't seen any chasers try to get up there and leave them laps or play any strategy. Preston Floyd is one of the chasers right there, but he hasn't done anything to get up there. So, there you see Nick Perry. Oh, there you see Jessica Shelton to get pit stop. And I don't know what they did. They took the front off of Zach Rogers' truck. He's gonna be up there with no front on the truck. And so I don't know. They did too much to him there. Dylan Young right there. The guys took off. Dave Wood been in the top 10 all day. Jessica Shelton gonna have to look out for her. As we're gonna get ready to go back to Green Flag Racing on Kyalami. Alright, Nick Pericles gonna lead them back going to Green Flag Racing. That Ford is not gonna be real fast down this restart. And that's one thing you're gonna have to worry about. Going to the corner, how you gonna get around them. Oh, there goes Jessica Shelton. Jessica Shelton moves right there. She moves the 93 out of the way. And now she is going to try to get the back of the bumper of the Nick Pericles machine. And was there any contact? I don't believe it. I believe we're all right. I don't know, we might be. I'm not recording it. Is the caution flag out? No, it is not. Nick Pericles is leading right now. Jessica Shelton is leading him though. Big time right now. But they are still green flag, which I am surprised at that. Jessica Shelton is going to do all she can to get to him though. Oh, and here's the big run by Jessica Shelton. And that's what you get the runs right there. Try to pass somebody. Preston Floyd gonna try to see what he can do. And then this is not good for him going side by side in this corner. Oh, he went off, but he didn't go all the way off. Looking like we're good right now. Trying to race too hard. As Jessica is holding on to that second position. But she really does not want Nick Perry to get away from gaining on him in some of the corners. Nick Perry decided to drive off really good. And it looks like he's about to come down right here. Jessica is not. And Jessica is going to lead a lot. She's going to be the first. And I told you, after Atlanta, she's going to bounce back and make it to 18. And the 20 is behind her as well. Some of those guys coming off. And we only had 2 cautions so far today. And Jessica Shelton out front, man. She's showing what she's really got here today. Benjamin Miles is one of the other chasers who have stayed out as well. But Jessica Shelton has taken the shine, and she's showing her road course ability on, especially at this one. She has really, really shined at this road course here over the last season. So she's really showing that to make it wide, make these turns. She's looking like she's coming out. Yeah, she's coming down here. 18 is coming down. Oh, Sean Harper is not. He's going to look like he's going to take the lead. Benjamin Miles came down as well. Austin LaPlante, one of the chasers, did not. Along with Zachary Fitzgerald did not. There he is. Right there with a little bit of front damage. He can play pitch strategy and try to do it if he can. Anyway, up front, big margin of 3 seconds over Bob Fergus. Here's Sean Harper. Sean Harper came close to making a chase. Just wasn't a nod for him this season. He has been one of the top rookies this season. But has not got the victory lane yet. Like I said, I'm very surprised after the last precaution. Yeah, I had these guys, one to cause another one. So very, 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 very thrilled with these guys. I know against Bob Fergus, Austin Talley hasn't checked him out lately. He hasn't really been a force to be reckoned with here today. You had Zachary Fitzgerald, but Zachary Fitzgerald got on that last wreck. You can see the damage. Maybe the third team right there going to try to get around them and Austin LaPlante. Austin LaPlante's going to get a lap later right there. He's going to be another chaser that lead. I don't think anybody else has. And that might help him with some bonus points if he can. Keep it out front. There goes the 13 and go by. Is he going to be the lead is the question. When you got these guys coming off pit road. Oh, 20 right there. Oh, the 2 got big, real loose under them guys. And this is the 38 is still in the lead right now. Coming up on Cody Lamas. Definitely not looking fast right now. He is 33rd right now. Dylan Young is running terrible as well. Not to run D Young anymore. It's Benjamin Miles in 22nd. Still got 38 in the lead. I don't know if they can hold up. The 4 was caught up front on the truck running in that 11th position. He got involved in the second crash with Cody Lamas. There was one big crash at the beginning of the race that took out points leader Michael Norman. And then there was another big crash. Oh, contact again between these two. These two have been going at it like this. Levi Stone and what's his name? I don't know. I think another caution just came out. I'm not sure. No. Okay, I'm trying to find the leader. There he is. But the Levi Stone's and Elgin Mills going at it. bouncing off each other. But you can see the 13 lead. Now he's going to come down here again. Preston Flores looking like he's going to get up lap led from the chasers. And yes, he is. He's going to be the third one to lead a lap. Right behind him is Daniel Voyles. The chasers have been making some noise. Daniel Voyles has been making noise. First two chase races, he's been running really good. And as he has Joe Gibbs, not Joe Gibbs, KZM under the engines. And I'm not really surprised that they're running real good right now. Because he has a KZM teammate right there with a team machine. He's racing with Levi Scones. Levi Scones. He said the 93 is going to, I think the 20 is going to come down. Levi Scones is not. LJ Mills is not either. So Levi Scones is going to get that lap led. But even though he's not in the chase, but there is James Qualls. James Qualls. Oh, whoa. That was body contact right there with him. He goes side by side. Oh, he's going to. Listen, too good. Don't go off the racetrack. One guy we haven't talked about too much. He got involved in that second wreck. Talking about Alan Catanaro, he got involved. Michael Walton got a piece of that as well. And he got up there in the top 10 right now. It's 19 now the other day. Benjamin Buckles. Back up front, the 2 is going to pit. Sean Harpo is not. Sean Harpo is on a different pit strategy than most of the guys. And you see them all coming to pit right here. There is Cody Lamas. Cody Lamas is 35th right now. Damage, he was hot. I believe he was hoping for another caution. That was going to happen. I cannot find him there yet. Right in front of Bob Burgess with about 6 laps to go. So he's just been holding his position up in the front right now. Not letting these guys not get to him, not to think, regardless. There he goes right there. There's Austin Talley, haven't really talked about. Okay, we're back from the commercial. 15, 13, trying to get back up to the front. He will do so. A couple guys we have to look out for. I believe the 2 is not even close to the 18 no more, so I'm not going to worry about that. 13 going to be in the lead though next time by. This is about seeing who's going to position themselves and have that run. Not getting the win here today. All over the back of their team, but he's not trying to let Nick Perrickwit get away from him. Oh, there you go. I believe that's why. Somebody's gonna try to gamble and end up running out of gas and causing a mess. I'm having a feeling that's what's gonna happen. Let's hope I'm not right on that. 93 is in the lead. The 20 machines right behind him. Daniel Williams has just been running phenomenal, but this guy right here might gain a lot of points here today. Chaser is it might not get him. It might get him up there, but it might not get him to the lead. But he's gonna gain a lot in the game. Last week finishing in the third. They not have a great run last week. Daniel Williams could really cash in here today. Benjamin Miles is just falling off. 24th right now. He's not been looking good at all. Austin Talley almost ran 18 off the race. He got a piece of that second rack as well. When you come right behind Cody. Cody is just not look good at all. I think that's the keys. They're on the lead lap actually. Oh man. Right behind Cody. Oh, there's caution out. Caution is out. And we just had a mess. And Preston Flores involved. I believe Preston got a piece of it. And coming out the corner, I don't know who's going to have the lead. He's going to be the 77 with the lead. And we have a mess. The third caution be coming out here late. What the heck just happened? Some of these guys are going to run out of fuel before the end of the race. Let's take a look at what happened first. This is not. This is something that I don't believe anybody was expecting. Bob Jones at the 93. I don't know. He didn't check his spot. His spotter didn't check what was going on. Oh my God, Benjamin. That was a hard hit right there by Benjamin Miles, and he was just trying to finish the race. Here goes right here. We're gonna take some onboards with this. It looks like the 93 was not. He was coming out pit road. He was not checking. Oh man! And after the good run he was having, he just wrecked himself out of the race. Hold on. Let's go on board with Bob Jones real quick here. Okay, hold on. There you go. You see the 93 just right there. I don't know. I don't know who you could blame right there, but that was just stupid. Hold on. I don't know. That should not have happened. All right, let's ride on board with Benjamin. This should not have happened. Benjamin was just blindsided. Watch this. And right there. Oh man, he just hit hard right there. Hope he's okay. Big hit for Benjamin Miles in the points here. This could really set him back after a great run last week. I was looking to try to get a decent finish here today. Oh man, it's not what he wants. He's had a lot of stuff like that happen to him. And he's not gonna be too happy about that. I'll tell you one guy right here. Sean Harper is going to end up being his first win here. Right now, it's across the line. He will win here at Kyalami. And that's just amazing right there. And I'll tell you what. A couple guys up in the top 10, like Henry Sanford. Joshua Romero was involved. first wreck of the day. And he somehow comes out of here with a good finish. I don't know. Then Ryan Acosta, he caused the first wreck as well. He's gonna come out here with 12. And I know Zach Rossi gonna come out here with a top 15 without having a front on the front of his truck. He got involved in the second wreck of the day. And Dylan Young was 32nd. Most of the race, he was not even having a great day at all. And Danny Rugg didn't talk about him that much, and they were from 13 and 14. Every point that they could get challenged. That one guy right here as well we're going to talk about is Daniel Williams once again. Austin Talley, third place once again. 2 times in a row he gets third. I don't even know how he did it. That's just remarkable. That's what's going to happen here. 3 cautions today here and 20 laps here at Kyalami. Thought it was going to be maybe a couple more, but luckily this guy had a green flag turn to that naming part there. So congrats to Sean Harper winning here today at Kyalami. We will see you guys next week for Jake's race number 3 at Quarterstone.